obstructive jaundice. You can say obstructive jaundice or surgical jaundice. Surgical jaundice. Obstructive jaundice or surgical jaundice. Obstructive jaundice and surgical jaundice. Obstructive jaundice is a jaundice due to biliary obstruction. 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 This may be partial, complete, or intermittent. It may be partial, complete, and intermittent. Partial obstruction, complete and intermittent. Intermittent jaundice usually in case of CVD stone, and complete jaundice in case of complete ligation of CVD, or partial in case of usually is CVD stricture. Partial, it is partial passable. Partial bile is passable in the CVD, but in complete there is no passing of bile through CVD in duodenum or intestine. So biliary obstruction, partial, complete, and intermittent. What are the normal metabolism of bilirubin? You can say how bilirubin is formed. How bilirubin is formed? कैसे बनता है बिलिरुबिन? Bilirubin, how bilirubin is formed? Hemoglobin, hem and globin, and hem is converted in biliverdin. क्या होगा? biliverdin, then bilirubin. This bilirubin is which type bilirubin? Conjugated or unconjugated? This one is unconjugated bilirubin. That bilirubin is water insoluble. ये पानी में नहीं घुलता है. That bilirubin is water insoluble. So in case of if it is raised inside the body, then what will happen? If deposited in the fatty layer, so you develop carnic teres. So that is water insoluble bilirubin, and this bilirubin is uptake by hepatocytes. क्या होगा? हेपेटोसाइट्स इसको अपटेक करेगा. ठीक है. एंड आफ्टर द अपटेक ऑफ हेपेटोसाइट्स देयर इज अपटेक and there is conjugation, of this unconjugated bilirubin in conjugated bilirubin. After the conjugation in the liver, this bilirubin is secretes in biliary tree. Through after the conjugation, this secretes in biliary tree. अब biliary tree में जाने के बाद through the CVD and it goes inside the intestine, right? And in intestine, this conjugated bilirubin, what happened? क्या होगा? ये conjugated bilirubin intestine में क्या होगा? Conjugated bilirubin by the effect of bacterial flora.